Hi there, it's Julie Grove Miller at Homebridge Financial. Hello. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, and I thought it was high time I get out there and do one now. So I started thinking this week, I just had to replace my dishwasher, and actually I've had my house almost 20 years now, and this is the first time I've had to replace an appliance. So I consider myself very lucky. But it did get me thinking, this is just the first of many appliances to come. And they get expensive if you haven't noticed lately. Anyway, that made me start thinking about renovations. When you lived in your home for a while, you were so excited when you first moved into it, thought, I'll never have to change anything, especially if it was brand new. But over time, things begin to fade, and we do have to change things. So if you're contemplating some major renovations in your home, a HELOC or a home equity line of credit is an excellent way to think about doing that. It can help you get the things done that you've been wanting to do. Maybe add that extra bedroom, remodel the kitchen, maybe redo the backyard, put in a pool, whatever your family desires. It might be a good time to look into that. Or maybe you want to recoup the money that you have hanging out on that credit card that's got ridiculously high interest rates. So let me know if there's something I can do to help you out with that to see if it makes sense for what you want to do. I'm at 858-344-5548. Thanks so much. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.